Hey guys, welcome to our lockdown special. So today we're going to be making Hershey Dalgona. So the things you're going to need for this are unsweetened cocoa, whipping cream, fresh milk, sugar, ice, and whisk, and a bowl. I'll use this one. Okay, so first you have to put ice in the glass. Oh, this is really soft. Ice. I think that's enough. Is that enough? Okay. And then we're gonna put some fresh milk, but not all the way, right? Okay, so I think that's enough. Then, okay. Oh, I need a tablespoon. Okay, so I'm gonna put this aside. So first, 1 tablespoon of the unsweetened cocoa. Ah, it's going everywhere. Okay, that's a lot. I put too much. That's a lot. Okay, 1. And then 1 tablespoon of sugar. And then 3 tablespoons whipping cream. I think that's how you're supposed to do it. Okay, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think that's good. Then we're gonna whisk it.
Put it in the bowl.
Wait, I need to... Okay, I'm gonna whisk it. Oh no, it's not doing the thing it was doing a while ago. It's not becoming fluffy. Oh wait, never mind. Ooh, look at that. I need to get some on the edges. Okay, this is hard to stir. What? Why is it so thick? This is so hard to stir. Ah! Oh wait, there's chocolate on my hand. Oh well, I'll clean it later. Is this okay? I think this is okay. Yeah, okay. So I think this is good now. Yeah. Wait, a little bit more. Okay, it's okay now. I'm gonna wash my hand. I'm gonna pour it in the milk now. It's sinking. Oh man. Is it working? Ew, that looks weird.
The poo shake?
Yeah, it looks like it. This is so sad. Oh, it's sinking. Oh, well, it's chocolate. Chocolate tastes good. That's fine. I'm gonna drink it anyways. It worked a while ago though. Like, really good. Okay. I can't get all of it. I should have used a spatula. Okay. Oh man, it's dripping. This takes a long time. that good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah, it looks like poo shake. Sad. Okay, I'm gonna try this now. Okay, the chocolate tastes good. That's okay. Tastes creamy. Should I mix it?
Go for it.
Okay, I'm gonna mix it.
Mine.
Okay. There. Okay, that doesn't make any difference. Let me taste from the top. Oh, that has chunks. Chunks. That tastes weird. It's good. You know, it tastes like chocolate milk, kind of expensive. But the top tastes like sugar. Tastes like, yeah, it tastes like sugar. Would probably try this again. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.